Hello everyone, in this video, we're gonna show you the best top 5 hotels in Singapore in 2022. Before we get started, please like and subscribe this channel for more updates in the future. Number 1. Shangri-La Hotel Singapore. Don't hesitate to take advantage of recreational amenities including 2 outdoor swimming pools and tennis courts, and a fitness center. This hotel also features complimentary wireless internet access, concierge services, and babysitting. If you want to spend the day shopping, you can hop on the free shuttle. Featured amenities include complimentary wired internet access, a business center, and limo or car service into town. Free parking is available on site. Complimentary wired and wireless internet access keeps you connected, and cable programming keeps you entertained. Distances are displayed to the nearest 0.1 mile and kilometer. Orchard Road, Royal Thai Embassy, Iron Orchard, the Paragon, Takashimaya Shopping Center, Singapore Botanic Gardens, and so on. This 5-star hotel has the lowest price of 500 Singapore dollars and it scored 9 out of 10 recently. Number 2. The Fullerton Hotel. Additional features at this colonial hotel include complimentary wireless internet access, concierge services, and gift shops or newsstands. Take advantage of the hotel's room service during limited hours. Featured amenities include express checkout, dry cleaning or laundry services, and a 24-hour front desk. This hotel has 7 meeting rooms available for events. Make yourself at home in one of the 399 air-conditioned rooms featuring minibars and LCD televisions. Will be centrally located in Singapore, within a 10-minute drive of Marina Bay Sands Casino and Orchard Road. This 5-star hotel is 1.4 miles from Marina Bay Sands Sky Park and 3.1 miles from Gardens by the Bay near Marina Bay Sands Casino. The lowest price of the Fullerton is around 600 Singapore dollars and its score is 9.2 out of 10. Number 3. Mandarin Oriental Singapore. Standing tall and overlooking the breathtaking Marina Bay Harbour, Mandarin Oriental Singapore is an iconic luxury hotel with a distinctive fun-shaped exterior and rich architectural features throughout. Featuring floor-to-ceiling windows with panoramic ocean or city views. Rooms and suites include luxurious amenities like marble-topped desk and HD LCD TVs. Ultra-modern ensuite bathrooms boast walk-in showers, wide suites at lavish seating areas, and walk-in wardrobes. A spa and wellness centers offer an array of tailor-made beauty and massage treatments in a tranquil setting. Special occasions at Mandarin Oriental Singapore are handled with ease, given the fact that there are 16 meeting rooms and sufficient space for elaborate weddings. There is no end to the multitude of dining options available on site. Cuisine from around the world includes Italian, Japanese, Cantonese, and American, as well as an international buffet at Malt Cafe. Mandarin Oriental Singapore is conveniently connected to the shoppes at Marina Bay. The Esplanade, Theatres on the Bay, is only a 6-minute walk away. The rate starts from 631 Singapore dollars, scoring 9.2 out of 10. Number 4. Marina Bay Sands. The views over the rooftops form lasting memories for guests staying at Singapore's iconic Marina Bay Sands. Rooms and suites, some with floor-to-ceiling windows and city views, are also part of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The abundance of luxury room and suite choices at Marina Bay Sands all feature Wi-Fi and 24-hour dining service, an interactive TV, and a fully stocked minibar. Features include the Sky Park observation deck, with its famous infinity pool. Guests have access to the Tree Fitness Club. Meetings, exhibitions, weddings, and social events are accommodated in spectacular style as a stage presentation at Sun's Theatre. There are restaurants to satisfy all cuisine preferences and covering all dining requirements, from breakfast to dinner. Club 55 indicates the floor level and is the D venue for afternoon tea in the tropics. The hotel overlooks the famous Gardens by the Bay, located between Chinatown and the Central Business District. Singapore City Gallery is approximately 2 kilometers away. The lowest rate is 960 Singapore dollars and it scores 8.6 out of 10. Number 5. Hotel Capella, Singapore. Located on Sentosa Island, Capella Singapore Hotel is a luxury resort just a 22 minutes walk from Harbourfront MRT station and a long drive from Selector or International Airport. This luxury resort features 112 rooms, suites and villas. Each room has air conditioning, flat-screen TV, minibar, safe, iPod dock, bath or shower, and non-smoking rooms. Other amenities include free internet, free Wi-Fi, 24-hour front desk, spa, sauna, fitness center, library, luggage storage, business center, and other amenities. Function rooms, meeting rooms, and free outdoor swimming pools. Multilingual staff in Chinese, English, Filipino, French, Indonesian, Japanese, and Malay. The hotel has 2 restaurants on site, with cashier offering Chinese dishes and the north serving Mediterranean dishes. Bob's Bar is the only one bar on site that serves wine and spirits. Attractions near the Capella Singapore Hotel include Universal Studios, ideal for a day out with a family, and Dolphin Island. It starts the lower price from 1,014 Singapore dollars and scores 9.2 out of 10.